Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute miniature paper quilling fridge magnet, and here I have added these cute cups and saucer set, and on the background I have created wooden texture for the cutting board. Can you see this, how gorgeously this is created? This is completely handmade and hand painted. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. So here I have lots of unused paper quilling strips in 3mm, and many a times we think that what can we do with these single color strips, and they are no use for any big projects. So here is the idea in this video how you can utilize your waste and unused strips. So let's proceed. Here I am starting with making the saucer. So I have just connected different color strips according to my stash, and I have some in half strip, some in 1/4 strip. So just added till the desired shape and creating one big tight coil. I have already prepared one more, so I'm just measuring it so that all the saucer will have same size. Like this. Then I am making the cup. So here also I am just joining 3 strips of 3mm and making one big tight coil. Securing the end using glue, and this is done. Now I will just share the diameter of these rolls. So the saucer is having 2 cm diameter and the cup is having 1.5 cm diameter. Now I'm just shaping both the tight coils. So for the saucer we don't need deeper dome, just a little bit of depth in the plate, and for the cup I'm using these small dome in my mold and making a deeper dome. Just flattening the center of the cup using backside of the pen to make a flat surface, and our cup is also ready. Now I'm just adding glue inside both the things. Like this, allow it to dry. Then here I am taking one more 3mm strip and just cutting it from the center till we reach the 1/4 strip. Now I am taking both the 1/4 strip, connecting with each other. Like this, and now randomly I am making one small ring using my fingers. Just add little glue to secure the starting of the strip, and then I will just roll the remaining strip all around. Then you will have this cute small ring. Here I am making the handle for the cup. Now to secure this I am just adding glue on this ring using brush. So I just took little bit of glue on my finger, and then using the brush I am spreading it on the ring. Allow it to dry completely. It's dried. Now it's time to just divide it in 2 equal parts. So from one ring we will get 2 handles, and we have this C kind of shape. Now using B6000 glue I am just sticking my handle with the cup. Like this. Then taking the saucer and the cup again, and I am just coloring it using white chalk paint from inside and outside, so that we can color it according to our color choice. Now it's dried, so I'm just coloring my cup from inside using aqua blue chalk paint, and similarly using the same color I'm coloring the saucer from backside. Like this. It's completely dried. Now I'm just taking my black permanent marker and making one leaf pattern in one corner of the saucer. Similarly, I am making one small leaf pattern on the cup as well. And then filling these leaf patterns using same aqua blue color chalk paint. Like this. Then here I am taking golden color permanent marker and just creating the edge of the cup using this gold pen. Similarly, I will make the edge for the plate as well. In the same way, I have prepared 5 more cups and saucers in different colors with the same procedure. And these are looking super cute and super adorable. So the set is ready. Now it's time to make the base. So here I am taking this mound board piece which measures 8 by 10 centimeters. I have just created a shape of the chopping board using my pencil. And now I am just cutting this shape using scissors. Also, I am curving all 4 corners. And this is done. Now here I have this beautiful wooden texture stencil. So I'm just putting it on my base, and using the texture paste I will make the wood texture on the mound board piece. You can use any texture paste of your choice. Now slowly remove the stencil, and can you see how beautiful the wooden texture is looking? Just take out the excess clay all around the edge and keep it aside for drying it completely. Then it's dried and it's time to color it. So here I am taking dark brown chalk paint and just coloring it from front and back side. And this is done. Now here I am taking this gold metallic wax and using my fingers I am just rubbing it on the raised part to highlight the wooden texture more. See how beautiful it is looking now. And now here I am taking the piece of ice cream stick. I have already added glue on one side and I am sticking it on the base in the bottom part so that we can arrange our plates on top of this. Now I am just coloring this ice cream stick as well using gold chalk paint. Then it's time to stick our cups and saucer on the base. So first I'm adding my cups. And then I am adding the saucers one by one. So the sequence of the saucer will also same as the cups. Like I will add yellow, then dark blue, then pink, then green, then red, and then aqua blue plates. Hold it tightly and allow it to dry. So after adding all the plates, it is looking like this. It's looking super gorgeous. Very pretty. And now it's time to adhere the magnet. So I have already added B6000 glue with the magnet and I am sticking it on the back side. Allow it to dry completely for 2 to 3 hours. And the super cute paper quilling miniature cup and saucer set fridge magnet is ready. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.